Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel CapCut subscription on PC. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, canceling subscription on PC and canceling subscription for mobile are two different things, okay? So maybe you have subscribed only for PC. Well, you will need to unsubscribe through a web browser or the CapCut app, okay? If you are subscribed through your mobile device, make sure that you open up Play Store or App Store and cancel it from there. Okay, so for PC, go ahead and open up CapCut.com and just hit on enter, just like so. Now go ahead and click on try online right here. Now log in with your CapCut account. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right, click on your profile. And in here, just basically click on your specific subscription. Now, when you go ahead and click on it and click on manage auto renewal, you'll be able to see it right here. Just basically click on cancel, follow simple prompts, and you're good to go. And that is, of course, you have subscribed to the auto renew subscription, okay? So mine in here, I only subscribed for a year. So I don't have that option. But if yours is set to auto renew, you will have that option in here. Just basically click on cancel, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Now, after canceling, you will still retain access to your CapCut Pro features until the end of your current billing cycle. You'll be able to see it right here, days left. So just check it out and use CapCut and just wait for it until it expires. All right. And that is how you cancel your CapCut subscription on PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.